In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule Zoom meetings directly through Google Calendar. This method is a great way to streamline your scheduling process and keep your meetings well organized. Let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar using your preferred web browser by heading over to the official calendar page. This is where all your scheduling magic will happen. Once you're on Google Calendar, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. You'll want to click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ons. This section allows you to expand the functionality of your calendar by integrating it with a variety of tools. Now in the Add-ons marketplace, you want to search for Zoom for Google Workspace. Simply type Zoom into the search bar, and when the correct result pops up, click on it to open its app page. Once you're there, hit Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration process. It's very intuitive and shouldn't take much time. Once Zoom has been successfully added, a Zoom icon should appear on the right-hand side panel of your Google Calendar. This is a visual confirmation that Zoom is now integrated and ready for action when it comes to scheduling your meetings. With everything all set up, you're ready to create a new meeting. Look towards the top left of the calendar interface and click on Create. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Event. This section is where you'll input all the necessary details about your meeting. Begin by giving your event a clear and meaningful title. It helps all invitees immediately understand the meeting's purpose. Next, set the date and time, and don't forget to add any relevant information like the guest list, a physical location if there's one, and a brief description of what the meeting's about. It ensures everyone knows what to expect and how best to prepare. If your meeting is recurring or consists of several parts, make sure to adjust those settings accordingly to reflect that. Now, to link your event with Zoom, find the drop-down menu next to Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Click on that and then select Zoom Meeting. This action will automatically insert a Zoom link into your calendar invite, enabling all attendees to join the meeting via Zoom seamlessly. Before you finalize everything, it's always a good idea to double-check all your details, especially the time, date, and guest list, to make sure everything is spot on. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click Save. As soon as you do, everyone on your guest list will receive an email invitation containing the Zoom link and event information, ensuring that they're ready to join when the time comes. And that's it. You've just successfully integrated Zoom with Google Calendar and scheduled your first meeting using both tools. It's a simple and effective way to keep your meetings organized and accessible. Thanks for tuning in and have an amazing day.